Hi there, this is Rich, WB5YBZ, and I got a Yaesu FTDX10 the other day, and I really like it. The thing is, I had a 7300. I love that. It was a great radio. I like this just a little bit better. We're going to talk about split frequency today, so let's go on over to the radio and I'll show you how to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it. Well, I have a FTDX10 here, and I'm going to want to work the split shift. I'm listening to a guy on the Eastern Island. He's 28495, and he's wanting us to go 5 up or 10 up. And so what we have to do is use our split frequencies. So over here is split. We'll turn it on. And if you notice, it turns red here. Turn it off, it's gray. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to hit AB. We want to 5 up. Well, let me click this. 5 up from 495 is 28500. So we hit this AB right here. Now the B, VFO-B is showing, and we're going to tune it to 500. We might be able to listen to some people calling him on 500. And we do. Now we're going to hit AB again, and we're going to go back where our VFO-A is at 28. Where our VFO-A is at 28495. I'm going to hit lock down here. That way, if I touch this, it's not going to move anywhere. So if I transmit, and I have low wildage, I'm not going to hit transmit. You can't tell, like on a ICOM. Usually, when you transmit, this will flip. But when I hit transmit, it's still showing 500 down here. So it doesn't show that it's flipping or transmitting on that frequency. But it is. So another thing is this TXW over here, or if you want to hear the other frequency, that on B, you can listen to B by clicking that. Those are the people that are on 500 that's calling him. Two things. I'm going to show you. If you watch this cursor, I'm going to hit split right here. But watch the cursor. It's red. When I turn it on, two things happen here. This is sort of gray on your screen. This is red. Now watch when I turn on the split. Notice it has a very fine line of red and yellow, and also this is no longer gray under here on this VFO-B. It's colored. Now watch when I turn it off. It's grayed out, and also the yellow line's not there. Okay, one more thing. Right now the split is turned off. It's transmitting on VFO-A and receiving on VFO-A. But when I hit split, that's where it's going to go up 5 or 28.500. It's going to be transmitting on VFO-B and receiving on VFO-A. When I turn it off, the split off, it's transmitting and receiving on VFO-A. One thing I would suggest, as soon as you get through talking to him, turn off your split shift. Turn off your split, that is. Sorry about that, I pushed the wrong button. Turn off your split, because if you go down here, I hit my clarifier. Sorry about that. If you go down here to, let's say you hear a station down this way, you still have your split on. Even if you're calling this station, you're actually going to be transmitting on VFO-B. 500. Be sure to turn your split off after you finish talking to the DX station. With that, 73s, if you give me a thumbs up, I sure would appreciate it.